आसा. How do you see that?
As per Supreme Court order that we have seen, where it's clearly written that today the Speaker will give the final verdict on the petition which I had filed 1.5 years back. So we expect Honorable Speaker will respect the Supreme Court and will respect the Constitution of India, and will uphold his constitutional authority, the chair that he's sitting. So I think nothing is left. He has to just give his order. He is free to give order either way. He can give the order in our favor. He can reject our petition, but he has to dispose it. He cannot keep it pending for such a long time.
पण ऑन 24 स्पिकरान सुप्रीम कोर्टाक परत आपले क्लॅरिफिकेशन इन ऑर्डर म्हणून ॲप्लिकेशन घातला.
As on date, the Supreme Court order stands till Supreme Court passes another order. So that order stands as on today.
What do you expect? What do you see the outcome of this? तिन्ही ऑप्शनां म्हटल्या, whether it has to pass, whether it reject. आनी कितें. So what do you expect?
Since the petition has already passed more than the outer limit of set by the Supreme Court, that is 3 months, is the maximum time that Speaker can take to dispose this petition. Now it's more than 1.5 years, and the time the Speaker has already taken sufficient time. He had sufficient time to complete all hearings and dispose. I feel the Speaker will honor the Supreme Court, and he will respect the Supreme Court.
आयज डिस्पोज जायना जाल्यार तुमकां ऑप्शन उरतलें कितें लिगल ऑप्शन?
No, I think he has to dispose the petition today. If he respects the Constitution, if he respects Supreme Court, he has to dispose it today.
Whatever may be the outcome, there are speculations that early polls could also be there because of this situation. Whatever may be the outcome, midterm polls there could be.
See, my petition is nothing to do with petition as far as I am concerned. So the midterm polls or the assembly polls may happen, but that has nothing to do with my petition. My petition is something wrong has happened. They have illegally merged the Indian National Congress into BJP, and I have got RTI reply from the Election Commission of India, where our party still stands, and there is no merger proposal with the Election Commission of India. That means there is no merger at all, because Election Commission of India is only the competent authority to execute the merger. So no other authority.
तुमकां रिप्लाय येयला तो RTI?
I have already got a reply from
But ते affidavit जे तपासून आणि
काउंटर एफिडेविट घातलेले आहेत.
तेजेर तुमचें कितें म्हणणें आसा तर?
ते म्हणटा काँग्रेस डजन एक्झिस्ट अँड 5 MLAs आर ग्रुप ऑफ अनअटॅच्ड MLA.
See, when one wrong is done, to cover up that one wrong, they are trying to do another wrong. So they will just go on committing mistakes. So I have nothing to say on that. I only feel pity on that.
But you are confident that outcome will be there.
Today, Supreme Court order clearly states that the Honorable Speaker is going to dispose his petition today, whichever way he wants. It's up to him whether to give the verdict in my favor or he can reject.
But it has to be happened today.
He has to dispose it today. He has no option because he is not above Supreme Court.
तुमकां कोण
My lawyer will.
तुमकां कोण रिप्रेझेंट करता?
Abhijit Goswami.
Thank you.